I am Subhash from MAG India Private Limited. This is a group of FFG Global Machine Tool. We have the 27 brand and 50 manufacturing facilities. Our company offers wide range of product and service, including milling, turning, grinding, as well as turnkey solutions. SolidWorks makes design simple, creative, and very much user-friendly. I believe SolidWorks give solution to improve our products and service. I believe SolidWorks will inspire new designers and it will make engineering easy for everyone.
We are using SolidWorks last 18 years on our organization. Our Conceptia support team is helping in training with expertise and skills. They are supporting in online and offline and visit our organization and solve our queries at on time. Together we are not creating the models, we are creating the future. Thanks for the conception.